2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, power moonroof, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.